If you're looking for a free gift for a friend or a loved one who is sick and suffering, I've got an idea for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck Page. I'm the best guy to see on the worst day of your life, and I've written a book called A Spoonful of Courage for the Sick and Suffering. And what we've done is we divided the book up into small slices, and you can go to our website and download this portion of the book, and from a simple printer you can print out this portion of the book and give it to your loved one who's in the hospital who are sick. Or maybe you have a hospital ministry where you go in and minister to sick people, or you have a church ministry, or you're a hospital chaplain. You're more than welcome to click on the link below, which is charleswpage.com or a spoonfulofcourage.com, and download this and give it to your loved one as a free gift.